Hey, what's up guys? It's Vic Cedeno here. I'm going to be doing a little bit of an unboxing. Never done one of these before, so I only got one shot because you only can open the box once. You can't go back and redo this. So today I'm going to be unboxing this package here from LindaFineGold.com. Assholes Live Forever. One of my favorite Instagram accounts to follow. They're always posting funny shit. They're always shitting on their customers that deserve it, which is cool. And a while back in August, I placed this order. Now, if you follow Linda Feingold and Krill and Assholes Live Forever, you know people are complaining about everybody wants everything in Amazon speed, but you don't want to treat your workers like Amazon does, right? So I ordered this back in August. They had a problem with the people that were shipping, whatever logistics company they were dealing with, and it is now October, and they made it right, okay? Just a couple actually it was only one email just to check after they said that they were having a problem. I completely forgot I ordered this. I spent about, I want to say $50. I think I spent $50. This was a sale they were having. They always have these cool sales, and they have like these mystery boxes, and you can pay whatever the mystery box fee is, and they're just gonna dump a bunch of shit in it, and you'll get it and you'll like it. And if you don't like it, you're out of here, buddy. But these were the $7 boxes. All right, $7 boxes each box. I think I bought 5 or 6. I want to say I think I bought 5 or 6. So we're talking $50 all in with shipping and everything. Let's say $50. So I'm just gonna open this up, see what I got for the $50, and we'll all be the judge. All right, here we go. Well, when I shipped this in the beginning, I was like, all right, it felt like I already got my $50 worth in it, but let's see. All right, I'm already seeing some bags. There's dicks. There's already dicks. There's already dicks. Here, look, there's the dick for you. Look at this packaging. Assholes Live Forever. Oh, there's dick and titties. Oh, wonderful. There's one side of dicks, the pubes. This must be Kirill's dick right here, right? There's no uncircumcised penises. Uncircumcised penises get no love. Anywhere. There's no uncircumcised penises on this, so I feel left out immediately. I'm marginalized. But there's titties on this side, and on this side there's all different types of titties. All right, there's flappy titties, there's nice titties, there's perky titties, there's titties that are uneven. They are really capturing all the titties. Look at these. There's titties with fucking banana nipples. There's all kind of titties here. There's titties with a bra on. Nobody likes that. There's even small titties. Small titties get love too. Damn it, they got nipples you can suck. There's big, large, flappy titties that only a bra can control. Other than that, you're out of your league if you're trying to get in with one of those. All right, so let's open this bad boy up, see what's inside. Already I'm happy. Already. Okay, guys, already I'm happy. Boom, look at this. Assholes Live Forever Newport hat. I needed some new hats, and this is awesome. Right here, Assholes Live Forever Newport box. I like it, I like it. Already I'm happy. Look at this. Please do not disturb. We fucking. Or please do not disturb. I'm pooping. Either or. Alright. Oh, look at this. An Assholes Live Forever ashtray. This is nice. This is nice. Even though it's sober October, I'm not smoking right now. What are you gonna do? A nice pack of deck. I do some magic shit. I do magic tricks too. Alright, I can make my fucking life disappear. Alright, here we go. Next dick bag. Next tit bag. Yo, this one dick right here's got massive. Oh, it's a banana dick. I thought those were pubes. Alright, it's a banana dick. There's a donut dick. There's a lot of dicks on here. I think the titty side is better. That just might be the cis male in me. Alright, here we go. Inside this box. Oh boy, they came through. Look at this. The Devil's Deck. Assholes Live Forever. This is kind of like Cards Against Humanity game. All right, this would be cool to play. All right, look at that. All right, we got a bandana. Looks like maybe, or it actually might be. I think one of those big banners. Look at that. Oh yeah, this is getting hung up somewhere. Look at this. Santa's dead. Fuck Christmas this year. Santa is dead. Oh my God. Yes. This is why I love this place. You tell me that waiting from August until now to get all this stuff is a big deal? Absolutely not. I completely forgot I ordered this until they made a post saying that they fucked up. And when I was like, oh yeah, I think weren't I waiting for something? That's cool. All right, what do we got here? A lanyard. This says this wallet didn't hang itself. Oh, an Epstein wallet. It's an Epstein wallet. This wallet did not hang itself, ladies and gentlemen. Hillary Clinton hung this wallet. Oh, look at that. Assholes live forever, baby. This is hilarious. This wallet did not hang itself. Didn't, all right? Didn't hang itself. That is great. That's that bag. So 2 bags down. 2 bags down, in my opinion. I already got my money's worth. That's my opinion. This is really good. A bunch of stuff here. The hat already just won me over. I got another Devil's Deck in here. They gave me 2 Devil's Deck. Maybe I'll sell one of these. Or hit me up. Maybe I'll give it to you if you're nice. What do we got here? An assholes live forever tie. If I get fired from my job from not getting the vaccine, this is the tie I'm going to wear to my next job interview. This is it right here. If I don't get the job, it's them. That's the problem. It's not me. Hell yeah. That's what I'm talking about. All right, let's get another mystery bag going. There was 3 mystery bags so far, right? Yep, 1, 2, 3 mystery bags. This is pretty dope. Let's see what's in here. All right, another flag. Let's see what this flag says. I'm gonna get a pickup truck just to fly these flags. Right here, let's see. I'll suck your dick for a backstage pass. I'm gonna give this one away. This one I'll probably give away. All right, because I've never been to a concert. I don't need to go backstage this bad. All right, but this is pretty funny. All right, I'm gonna give this one away. This one's a giveaway right here. Oh my God, this is hilarious. All right, I'm not folding this shit right now. All right, what else is in this bag? Well, we got some keychains. I drink cheap beer, and it's also a bottle opener. I drink cheap beer, which is true. Oh, the bling is here. The motherfucking bling is here. Look at this thing. I don't know what this is. If this has Krill's picture inside of it, I'm gonna go jerk off right now. Look at this. I'm gonna be blinging it up. All right, blinging it up. What do we got inside? Oh, this is a weed grinder, ladies and gentlemen. This is a weed grinder that you can wear around your neck. It has a little locking mechanism too, so you don't get sloppy with it. This is really dope. I like this. And it just says, assholes live forever, which I hope is true. I really hope assholes live forever is true, so I can live a long time. All right, let's deal with that later. The locking mechanism is just a little bit tough to put together, but the fuck am I gonna complain about? Look at this. All right, whatever, it's cool. I like it. Little grinder on the go action. We got another lanyard, which is another wallet. This one just says assholes live forever. Dope. There with the other one. We got, we got a fanny pack, ladies and gentlemen. We got the assholes live forever backwoods fanny pack. This is pretty damn dope right here. I like this. A little yellow. Yellow's not really my color, but I'll make it work. Sometimes you need to do different shit. You know what I'm saying? See if they stuck anything in here for the kid. Checking the pockets. Checking the. Oh, they did. They did. Look at this. They even stuffed the fucking pockets of this. This is. Listen, anybody that's starting a brand, if you're doing merchandise, this is how you do it. Keep your people happy. Another ashtray. I'm gonna be smoking it up. I don't know. You tell me which one you like better. This one is assholes live forever with skeletons fucking, or just plain assholes live forever. I like the plain Jane. I'm a plain kind of guy. Very simple. You don't never see me with the bling. My mom got me this chain. It's the only reason I have jewelry. Other than that, I'm plain Jane. So I like that. All right, what do we got here? This looks like a MAGA fucking flag. A MAGA flag. But I don't know if that is what it is. Let's take a look. Oh, it's red, white, and blue. I'm feeling patriotic. I'm feeling patriotic. What does it say? I'm going to look at it first. Oh, yes. Tell me if you agree with this, because today is Saturday. Today is Saturday. Saturday are for the whores, baby. Oh, my God. In comedy, you don't really go out to see much whores, but Krill was here. Saturday is for the whores. I like that flag. I can't fly it in here, though, because I got a 6-year-old daughter. I don't want her to get the wrong idea. And she'll fucking get crazy on Saturdays, and I don't want that. All right? That is dope, though. They filled the bag. I felt the bag. I didn't know if it was cushioning, but this is so dope. Look, this was, again, $50. All right, here we go in this box. What do we got in this box? This better not be a dildo. All right, this better not be a dildo. I have a feeling that it is. I'm scared. I'm scared. I don't want to be tempted. 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 So, here we go, ladies and gentlemen. What do you think this is in here? I'm trying to be nice so I don't break this in case I give some of this stuff away to some people. Oh my God. Bro, what did I tell you? What did I tell you? Ah! My God. Should I take this thing out of the route? I don't even want to take this thing out. Knowing Krill, this was used before they sent it. This was used. Used and abused. Watch this. And it's ribbed. It's got ass, so I have to feel assholes. Oh my God. Oh, this is terrible. Why did they send me this? I knew it. I looked at the box. I was like, this is a huge dildo. That is what is in this box. And it's got a fucking suction cup, so you can go fuck yourself. Oh my God, what is going on in here? All right, bro, we're at the end of the bag here. I think. Oh, we got a couple more things here. Dope. All right, so the bag is done. It's down to the last few items. Awesome. There's a lot of shit in this bag, man. A lot of shit in this bag. All right, we got another bottle opener, keychain. This is live fast, die last. Good motto. Live fast, die last. I like that. All right. They always send stickers in their boxes. I have a lot of stickers. I've ordered a few times. This is United States of Assholes. It's kind of like what it feels like what it's in, but the assholes we're talking about are much cooler than the assholes that are really in the America. Another flag. All right. This one looks like a Marlboro flag. So it's probably Marlboro style. Assholes live forever. Let's see the business. Oh yeah, what did I say? What did I say? Oh, this one is a long flag. Unfiltered. Assholes live forever. Unfiltered. Very nice. I like the flags. I don't know where I'm gonna put them, but maybe I'll just randomly put them on City Hall. What if I just sneak on top of City Hall in the middle of the night and take down the flag of the city and use that instead? All right, what we got here? I see the book bag. Socks. I like their socks. I have one pair of some red ones, and now they blessed me with another pair. Boom! Look at these. These are nice blue socks. See that right there? Some blue action. Assholes live forever up top. Some socks. Some socks that now we can put. Where did it go? Alright, now we bounce on it. Now we can just put the sock. Maybe we can put the sock on top of the dildo. And I'm gonna fuck somebody up with this. Oh my God! I'm gonna put this in my car so that if I get road rage, I'm fucking somebody up with this dildo. I'm gonna fuck somebody up. If I smack you in the head with this dildo, this thing hurts, man. And then you know what? They can't. Right now, I have a collapsible baton in my car for road rage incidents, and I can I could probably get in trouble for that. But you can't get in trouble for a dildo in the car. And if I get out the car and smack you with this fucking thing, you're gonna feel real stupid for cutting me off, for sure. New use for the dildo. All right, last on the list is an Assholes Live Forever Heineken book bag. Bro, I might gift this to my brother because he loves Heineken's. Oh no, this isn't just a book bag. It's a cooler. It's got the lining for the cold stuff. So you can pack this bitch with beer. Boom. Zip it up. And you're chilling. Let me check the pocket because these people are so generous, except for this time. They didn't put anything in this motherfucker. But the bag is enough. Oh my God. Bro, I got my money's worth, ladies and gentlemen. Assholes live forever. This is a dope unboxing. I'm very happy I did it. A bunch of stuff you can see. So I highly recommend this website, lindafeingold.com. Also follow them on Instagram, Assholes Live Forever, Linda Feingold, Kirill was here. You can find them all. They're always posting funny shit and the stuff you get for your money. I think, people are complaining. I think people are just so stupid. I think that's really what it is. And I'm grateful. But look at this, $50. I got a bunch of stuff. And I can also plug my boys' rum line right here, Symphony No. 3. I have not popped the bottle open yet, but if this is anything like my boy, this is a really classy liqueur here, and I think you should get it. Symphony No. 3. You can follow them on Instagram and find them. They'll deliver this shit right to your house. Very reasonably priced. Symphony No. 3. And that's that. I also want to plug my boys. Another friend of mine has Strangers Helping Strangers. You can find them on Facebook and Instagram. They're doing a lot of stuff locally, helping people out. And of course, we got the Dojo of Comedy. Got a show tonight. DJ D. Joselito the Puppet is going to be at the Dojo of Comedy, tiffscomedy.com. Check it out. Tickets. I'm there at every damn show. I'm the door guy. This has been an unboxing of epic proportions. I hope you enjoyed. Mwah.